I miss butt slamming. Wow. I'm scared he's gonna come to life. I like that it's all glitched, like it's broken, but it's still there. Why would you scare the shit out of me like that? I hate you. That honestly gave me a heart attack. Oh my god. I hate you. Where is it? Oh god. I don't like it. I hate it. I hate you. It was a chest, and I opened it, and it came out to be this big ugly monster, and it scared the fuck out of me.
She's like, whoa, I just heard
I had a heart attack, and then Rocky's just laughing at me. It's not fair. Where's the class mod? Oh god. But it honestly scared the fuck out of me. It's like, oh, I was like, okay, there's a chest, and then Rocky just like runs away. I'm crying. Like I honestly had a heart attack. Holy fuck. I'm like, yeah, I don't think I'll play Outlast anymore. Rocky, you made me cry.
Free.
Oh shit. Like that big ugly face. It's like, really? Rocky, you're gonna make me cry now. Oh my god, I need to take a break. You gave me a heart attack. Oh my god. I need to put that on YouTube.